Dolphins, seals. How many of them are we going to see today? Come along and join us for the ride.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Belly of Tea.
We were going on a boat trip out of Brixham harbour. It was called a Seafari Boat trip. So obviously the idea was to look out for seagoing wildlife. And almost immediately we were rewarded with the sight of this seal basking in the sunlight. Lazy sod.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Belly of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, up down, oh below my bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. Before the boat had hit the water, the whale's tail came up and caught her. Hands to the side, harping and fought her when she dived down low. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. No line was cut, no whale was freed. The captain's mind was not of greed, and he belonged to the whaleman's creed. She took that ship in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da 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 da. For 40 days or even more, the line went slack, then tight once more. All boats were lost, there were only 4, but still that whale did go. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. As far as I've heard, the fight's still on. The line's not cut and the whale's not gone. The wellerman makes his regular call to encourage the captain, crew and all. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go.
Yeah, 2 there.
Yep.
As quick as they come, they do also disappear. They're just there until after about 3 or 4 minutes. Before then, unfortunately, having to make our way back towards Brixham. Well, they do seem to be feeding there, so they must be back through. Bottom those dolphins there. Interesting little fact, the other half of their brain is slightly awake, so they can still surface.
Yeah.
2 of them.
They're just now coming up on our right hand side, folks. Again, sort of in between us and the headland there of Berrry Head.
Real ones.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a Belly of Tea. The winds blew up her bow, up down, oh below my bully boys blow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. She She'd not been 2 weeks from shore when down on her a right whale bore. The captain called all hands and swore he'd take that whale in tow. Soon may the wellerman come to bring us sugar and tea and rum. One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave and go. Da